Hello everyone, welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video, Public Transport 95th lesson. New words. Tube, subway, metro. Tube, subway, metro. Ticket, season ticket. You pay. Fare, ticket, season ticket. You pay. Fare. Distance, travel, lower price. Distance, travel, lower price. Bus, double-decker bus. Upstairs. Bus, double-decker bus. Upstairs. To collect. To allow. To be late. To collect. To allow. To be late. According to. Although. Until. According to. Although. Until. Slow, slower. Fast, faster. Slow, slower. Fast, faster. Large, largest. Small, smaller. Large, largest. Small, smaller. Simple dialogue. David, how do you travel to work?
I'm traveling to work every morning by tube.
I understand. You live in London.
How did you know about it?
Because I'm traveling to work every morning by subway. I'm living in New York. What does the subway mean in British? In the UK, a subway is an underground tunnel that people can walk through to get to the other side of a busy road. That's safest to use the subway to get from the car park to the museum. What does the subway mean in the USA? In the US, an underground tunnel is called an underpass. A subway in the US is an underground railway in a city. For example, take the subway to 14th Street. David, I think the tube, or the underground, is something like the metro in Paris.
I agree with you, but unlike the metro, it is rather old-fashioned transport.
Yeah, and it's quite expensive. How much is the ticket?
You pay according to the distance you want to travel.
Can you buy a season ticket?
Of course, I can buy a season ticket, which allows me to travel for a certain period at a lower price.
That's so good. Must you keep your ticket?
Yes. I must keep my ticket until I finish my journey.
I want to travel by bus. I saw that are double-decker buses in London.
Yeah. Most buses are double-deckers in London. You are allowed to smoke upstairs.
But I don't smoke and never have.
You're lucky. It's easy to start smoking, but more difficult to stop.
Second wave. 37th lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include it in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you soon, for another video.